Hey, Grant Hoska with DJI, here with the new DJI Dock 3 and Matrice 4 Dock version. Excited to highlight some new features I'm excited for operators to take advantage of. We've enhanced functionality in tough conditions with the slanted roof to help prevent icing, doubled the capacity for the heating power compared to Dock 2, and upgraded the air conditioner from a semiconductor air conditioner to a compressor air conditioner, which at the end of the day gives a larger cooling capacity. You can see the anti-icing propellers inside the dock here with a curve on the end to lower the noise of the drone. And then gonna go ahead and close the system here, and you can see one half of the dock cover going on top of the other, creating a nice seal there for insulation inside, improving the climate control. One of the major advantages of having a dock on site is being able to conduct on-demand operations during the day or night. So one of the major improvements here with Dock 3 is the integration of an external RTK module, reducing launch time to as low as 10 seconds, along with the ability to launch in wind speeds up to 12 meters per second. You can see the markings here on the dock system itself that are utilized during landing, along with RTK and visual slam. With the exterior RTK module, we've also been able to relax deployment standards around obstructions. Plus, the Dock 3 is now built to be installed on mobile platforms like a pickup truck or trailer for emergency operations, large events, or on-demand inspection and mapping operations. Simply park the vehicle and you can calibrate it from Flight Hub 2 and launch the system. You can see the car kit on both sides of the cover here that will keep the drone stable during transportation, including a mechanical arm that will go around the gimbal. With advancements in transmission technology, camera capabilities, and flight time, your operational area is already expanding. However, with the new DRTK3 relay, we're taking that a step further. The relay station relays the signal from the drone to the dock and dock to drone, and can be powered over Ethernet, either by connecting to a third Ethernet port on the dock or providing your own power. But at the end of the day, putting this up at a higher location is going to provide more reliable transmission and expand your operational area. Docks increase the frequency at which inspections can take place, and at the end of the day, operators want to be able to flag issues quicker. So now, after planning out an automated flight route, one can add intelligent actions to flag different objects or infrared temperature anomalies, and from there trigger actions such as photos, videos, or notifications. And finally, for teams who may want to build to utilizing the drone outside of the dock, we're offering a standalone drone package. The dock version of the Matrice 4 series adds improved flight time, an IP55 rating, and onboard relay capabilities to another drone. We're excited to see how operators utilize the Matrice 4 dock version in and out of the dock.